everyone, Yen here from Yen's Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a small canvas today with a split base, where one part of the base will be painted on 24 karat gold from DecoArt Metallics, and the other half will be a swipe. So yeah, just showing you that I'm painting the painted part, and then I'll be going through the colors that I'm using for the swipe. The Artist Loft Soft Body Black, and all mixed to a thin consistency. Depending on whether it's a heavy body or a golden fluid, you'll need more or less water or of the pouring medium. This one is the Metallic Art 24K. Wonderful color. The gold, it takes over a lot. It doesn't really take over that much in this painting actually, except for that part that's painted. And this is Porridge Posse paint in a red shimmer. Barnes red shimmer. And the next one is Golden Fluid, Quinacridone Burnt Orange. That's the thinnest paint that I'm using here, so that one obviously just only takes my pouring medium, doesn't take any water or any other additives to make them thinner. Amsterdam Vermillion. Very bold color to put in here, I think, but it actually doesn't show through that much. So that's good, I think. All my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is the same as that Cathleen uses, which is 50% Floetrol, US Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and then a good squirt of GAC 800. Right now I had put, as you see, I put on the tape, and I'm just sealing the tape with the gold paint so that the swipe paints will not go under the tape. It's a very good tip actually, to when you have put the painter's tape on, to just seal it with the color that is under the tape, because then that actually seals the tape on that side of the paint. It works wonders. Good little tip. Tilting off the black, and then we'll get to layering the colors shortly. Make sure that you tilt off most of it, because you don't want a lot of leftover paint on the canvas when you swipe. This, of course, was the Barnes Red, and this is the Quinacridone Burnt Orange. This is the Vermilion. And then the 24K Gold. I'm swiping with wet paper towels dipped in the black base coat. So this is not a cell activator. I'm not using cell activator on this one. In hindsight, maybe I should have, because I don't get as much cell reaction or action that I had wanted, but I really like the outcome still. And it doesn't all have to be full of cells. There's still cells on this one, but they're very discreet, if you will. One thing that I'm thinking now that I'm looking at how I'm doing this, I could have just done this with one piece of paper towel to avoid that middle line, but it's all good. I still think that it came out nice. So then what I decided to do is I decided to actually try the crackle paste on the gold part, just to give it a little more interest. I did like the way that it looked, but there was some uneven surface on the canvas, because this was a reused canvas, and the paint that I had put on there before dried unevenly, so it was like a ridge at the around close to the edge. So that's why I decided to try the crackle paste. This is my first time that I tried the crackle paste. Thank you, Cathleen, for all your very important and helpful information about this. One thing that I think that I would have done differently is actually just paint the base black and then put the gold on over the crackle, because then the cracks that will show through the crackle would then have been black already. But you'll see that I try to compensate for it. take off the paint, the painter's tape, while everything is still wet, in order to not pull the crackle off the painting. And then I'm just covering this with gold, because I had decided that I would just want a gold on gold. So just covering, and now here comes my dog. He, for some reason, didn't understand that I closed the door to the living room, and he's just stood outside there whining. Get in here. Listen.
Titus is really upset that you shut him out.
Yeah, but the door's open here. I don't know why. Titus, the door's open here. Come here. Titus. Here. Come here. See, it's open here. Right? Okay. That was cute, right? I don't know. He couldn't figure that out. He's a little dumb sometimes. Anyway, just giving it another coat, and then you'll see that I actually try to put black paint in the cracks with a soft cloth. Just dab it with in some black paint. I'm using DecoArt. Oh god, what's it called? It's a base coat. It's a matte base coat, Enchanted. One that Cathleen gave me. I know that it's one that she's very happy about, and I really like it too. I haven't used it yet in my paintings, but yeah, I'm gonna try it out. But yeah, rinsing it off with another soft cloth, just to be sure that the gold still shines, and then that it's only in the cracks that you see the black. And this is what it looks like. I got a little too close to the canvas, sorry, to the camera, but really nice, very small piece, but pretty cool. Here are the dried results, and then staged on the Smartest app. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and thank you so much for being here, and I hope that you come back soon. Bye.